Here's our house. Come in the front door. Our living room. There's the dogs. We have a bathroom in there. And then here's our living room. Painted that wall red, it was orange. Walk through. There's the kitchen. And you can go downstairs, or you can go upstairs. And then here's the family room area. There's cute little Della. There's Simmy. So yeah, we have a cute little backyard. It's really private. It's the couch that the ladies spend most of their time on. Yeah, so we have a bank of cupboards there with a fridge, a couple of coffee makers. Yeah, it's kind of messy right now, but